Alright, so in this lecture we're going to start to refine our sketch here and make it a little bit more detailed. So before we do that, I just want to make some adjustments here to this. I think that his face is maybe a little bit too big on his body, and I'm going to kind of shrink it down here. Move it up on his body some, and going to also widen it. Alright, I think that's a little better. Next, we're going to go ahead and make a new layer here. We're going to lower the opacity of our old layer so we're not getting too caught up and distracted by it. Gonna name it Refine Sketch. And gonna bring my brush size down just a little bit. And we're gonna come in here and start refining this. So I'm gonna start here with his eyes. He's got these nice bunched up, sort of squished eyes here. Little wrinkles on this little bump of a nose sort of thing. Okay. Working our way up his ear. I want him to feel like he's sort of kind of wrinkly, bumpy, sort of textured skin, sort of like a bird without feathers, or maybe kind of amphibious, sort of toad-like. Okay, and then his ear here. Got this hair coming out of his ear. And we're going to have these sort of little, I imagine them kind of like little chicken wings without feathers on them. Got some wrinkles down here on his stomach, as well as his little toes here. This little branch that he's sitting on. Kind of just sketch some contour lines in here to give us an idea of the sort of bark texture that we might find on it here. Okay. Have his tail. And then let's sketch in these little creatures here. Want them to be sort of cute, happy little guys. Got his little tail there. Okay. And then another one up here on his head. All right, perfect. Get those horns there. Excellent. We still have those leaves suggested. We don't have to really worry about those too much because we'll be just painting those in later. But we'll just add a little bit more wrinkles in here to help us kind of get an idea. This guy's sort of fat and got these sort of folds of skin kind of coming in on himself here. All right. And there we go. That'll do it, I think, for our refined sketch. We're going to do one more pass on this with a new layer and really buckle down and do some final details. But that's it for this lecture, and I will see you guys in the next one.